give power to read and to do all that appertains to this degree. My congratulations.
Eliud has claimed victory in 10 out of 11 marathons, racking up an unprecedented 9 successive victories over the 42.2 kilometer distance. During this period, Eliud built a legacy of one nation and one united world. Eliud is not only a very special athlete, but also a very special human being. He possesses exemplary principles and a moral code of living which inspires the human race. For instance, he views achievements as a unifying experience, since people of all races and persuasions are united in celebrating a human feat that he has appropriated for humanity. Without fanfare, Eliud has helped many Kenyans to a better life by paying school fees, building schools, churches, and helping others to set up their businesses.
Receiving this honorary degree from JKUAT, it's not only a personal honor, but a call to elevate my commitment to bettering myself, my nation, and the global community as an alumnus of this distinguished university. This recognition inspires me to further my philanthropic endeavors, particularly in supporting the education of underprivileged children and establishing accessible libraries in remote areas. Additionally, I am dedicated to environmental conservation, especially amid critical challenges posed by global warming. With this title, I pledge to continue supporting initiatives such as JKUAT efforts to planting indigenous trees and contributing to mitigating the effects of climate change. So this is the 41st ceremony, and I trust the Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology will plant 41 trees to represent this ceremony. When you get out of that cave today, you have only one thing to do: provide service. Help that person near whom you can reach. They say your neighbor is not that person that you live or that person you come from the same village. It's that person, it's anybody in need, that's your neighbor. If you want to make to be the seal, provide service. Help that person near to you.